Leffa from Meta is a virtual try-on and pose transfer framework and model. In this video, we are going to install it locally and then we will play around with it in the Gradio demo. Welcome to the channel. This is Fahad Mirza and I am very excited to share with you this new Leffa model. We already have covered a lot of such models and frameworks on the channel. So if you're interested in virtual try-ons and virtual clothing and post transfer, just search on the channel and you should be able to find heaps of videos around different tools and frameworks. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to focus on Leffa. As I said, Leffa is a framework for generating person image that can be controlled to manipulate both appearance and pose. Look at this example. For instance, Leffa allows you to generate a person image based on a reference image while controlling specific aspects of the generated image, such as appearance. It could be virtual try-on, for example, changing clothing or accessories, or you can even pose transfer, which means that you can transfer the person's posture or movement. Previous methods for controllable person image generation often distort fine-grained textual details from the reference image despite producing high-quality images overall. That is where Leffa helps out because it proposes learning flow fields in attention which guides the model to attend to the correct regions in the reference image during training. This is achieved through a regularization loss on top of the attention map with a diffusion-based pipeline. Leffa achieves state-of-the-art performance in controlling appearance and pose while significantly reducing fine-grained details, distortion and maintaining high image quality. Additionally, Leffa's loss is model agnostic, which means it can be used to improve the performance of other diffusion models. If you look at this method, it looks quite interesting because what is happening here is that this is a whole training pipeline for controllable person image generation. The left is their diffusion based baseline and the right is the Leffa loss, and you can see that the source and target are the same during training, which is quite remarkable. Okay, enough talk, let's try to get it installed. Let me also give a huge shout out to Massed Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs. This is my VM where I'm running Ubuntu, and this is my GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let's create a virtual environment that is highly recommended for this, and this Leffa is compatible with Python 3.10, so I'm going to create a virtual environment just that. So let's wait for it to get created. And now let's git clone the repo of Leffa, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. Next up, we need to install all the requirements. I'm just going to run this pip install requirements. That is going to take 3 to 4 minutes, so let's wait. All the requirements are done and you can ignore these warnings. Next up, we need to launch our Gradio demo from the root of the repo by simply running python app.py, and it is going to launch it in the browser. So let me run it and go to the browser. And you see that the first time when we have run it, it is downloading the model. The model size is just over 7 gig. And the 7 gig one seems to be for the virtual try-on, whereas the post transfer is around 21 gig, which is a bit huge. Anyway, let's wait for it to get downloaded. And the models have been downloaded, and now it is running on our local host at port 7860, which is the default Gradio port. So let me access it in the browser. And there you go. You can see that the Leffa is now running on our local host. Let me adjust this screen so that we should be able to see both the images properly. So for first one, the control appearance, as you can see, I have selected this person image and this is a garment image, and clicked on generate. It is working at the moment. Let's also check VRAM consumption. So it is consuming over 32 gig of VRAM. It's quite a big model. Anyway, let's wait for it to come back. And there you go. It took a bit of a time, around I would say 3 minutes to generate this, but looks quite good. There you go. You see, so she was wearing this kicker shirt, and then she's now wearing that Hollister shirt. Quite good. Okay, let's try out another example. Maybe I'll just go with this one. And then she's wearing this Kellogg's shirt. Let's grab something else. Maybe I'll just, what is this? Maybe this one. Okay, let's try this one. And then let's click on generate. Let's wait for it. Takes around 2 to 3 minutes to get it sorted. You see that this bar is moving. And there you go. It has produced this image, which looks quite good. Okay, now let's try out control pose. Again, I'm just going to select an example, and then I will also do one of my own image, but let's first try this one. And I want to change this pose to something like this. So this is a source on the left, this is the target. Let's see how it does the pose here. Sorry, I'm just trying to adjust the image in the screen. Okay, let's wait for it to come back. And there you go. So let's see what it did. So yeah, so it has done the pose, but it has flipped the image on the other side, and I'm showing you as is. Okay, so let me try to put my own image here. So I'm just going to select one of my own images. Give me a sec. I'll just maybe go with, okay, judge me, I'm just trying to, maybe I'll just go with this one. This looks slightly better than the others. And I'll just go maybe not this one, maybe I'll just go this pinkish one. Okay, so this is the source, and this, I want to wear this Fila shirt. Let's generate. And there you go. You see what, you know what, I think virtual try on is quite good. I really like it, the pink shirt. And there you go. And then black is there. I don't see the black one, so you see down here, let me go back. So after Fila there is a black one, but if I go down, after Fila there is a pink one. So it's not highly accurate, but still not bad, considering that my arms are in front of my chest. So, and then it's on my poses perfectly. I think it has done it well. So let me also try out one pose control with my own image. So I'm going to change this pose into this one. Let's see how this one goes. Let's wait for it. It is working. Okay, first I thought I'm not going to show you this, but let's have fun on my expense. So you see, this is the image it has generated. I'm not sure why and how, but this is the source and target. And look at this one. So it doesn't look like it's not me, as you can tell, but shirt color is there, and it has mix and match this one. So I don't think so I am doing anything wrong, because you see that even if I select their own example images, this pose control simply, or pose transfer simply doesn't work. Virtual try on is awesome. This one is, I think, needs a lot more work. Anyway, so that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think about this Leffa. I will drop the link to it in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.